Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Whole Foods laundry detergent is probably one of the most talked about eco-friendly laundry detergents on the market, and for good reason. But does it live up to the hype? In today's video, we're diving deep into Whole Foods Market's own brand laundry detergent, exploring its ingredients, cleaning power, scent, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your laundry needs and your budget. We'll also compare it to other popular eco-friendly options to see how it stacks up. Number 5. Rockin Green Laundry Detergent. It's tough on stains and odors, but gentle on your clothes. This plant-powered formula is perfect for all fabrics, even delicates. Made with all-natural ingredients, it's safe for your family, pets, and the planet. It's unscented and free from harsh chemicals. This concentrated formula delivers up to 192 loads, reducing waste and saving you money. It works in all washing machines. It's 100% biodegradable and free of harmful ingredients like bleach, dyes, and parabens. Live a greener lifestyle. Join the Rockin Green movement and experience safe, reliable, and economical cleaning. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like? It's tough on stains and odors, but gentle on all fabrics. This means you get a powerful clean without damaging delicate items. If you need a detergent that's effective yet safe for sensitive skin and various fabrics, this is the one for you. What people say. Gets the smells out and cleans the diapers great. I use unscented and it never caused any issue for my child's skin. For those who use non-scented laundry detergents, there are times when those towels, diapers, clothes get that unpleasant odor, and it seems impossible to get rid of it and not to use perfumed detergents to mask it. Rockin Green is an answer. I live in a hard water area, and this powder has really helped to soften our washes. This is particularly noticeable on towels, where we don't use any conditioner. Number 4. 7th Generation EasyDose Laundry Detergent. Say goodbye to messy measuring and hello to perfectly dosed laundry every time. It's so simple to use, just flip, squeeze, and you're done. With its auto-dosing technology, it ensures the right amount of detergent for every load. One squeeze is all you need for a sparkling clean. This ultra-concentrated formula provides 66 loads in a compact bottle, saving you space and reducing your environmental impact. It's 60% less plastic, 50% less water, and 75% lighter than our larger bottle, making it a sustainable choice without compromising cleaning power. Its advanced enzyme formula tackles even the toughest stains while being made with 0% dyes, synthetic fragrances, or artificial brighteners. Enjoy the calming scent of real lavender essential oils and botanical ingredients. It leaves your clothes smelling fresh and clean, naturally. What we like? It features an auto-dosing technology for precise measuring, saving you time and effort. This ultra-concentrated formula also means less plastic waste and storage space. If you value convenience and efficiency, this product is perfect for you. What people say. The bottles are intelligently designed for organization and use. I love the ergonomic design and the dispensing cap all in one. 1. Small enough bottle to put in cabinet or on a countertop. 2. Flip cap squirts out the right amount so you can choose smaller amounts of detergent. 3. No more measuring scoops or caps, which means no extra clutter and no sticky detergent drips on counters or washing machines. Even though it doesn't seem like it wouldn't be enough, it works great and we've both been really happy with this detergent. Replacing a giant container of detergent for something more compact has been really nice. It also is a lot less of a hassle to dispense and we feel good about the ingredients in this too. I haven't noticed any weird buildups or damage to our laundry from this product. It's hard to find a fragrance-free laundry detergent and that's how I chose this one. Even though it's fragrance-free, clothes come out smelling clean and fresh. I like that the compact size is helpful in a full cabinet and the bottle uses less plastic, which is of course helpful to the environment. The dosing spout is convenient as well. Number 3. EasyDose Laundry Detergent. This powerful detergent is made from plant-derived cleaners, making it tough on dirt but gentle on your clothes and skin. It features coconut and lemongrass essential oils for a fresh, clean scent. You'll love the naturally derived cleaning power. It's a 100% vegan formula, so you can feel good about using it. It's also completely cruelty-free. It's made without dyes, optical brighteners, parabens, phosphates, and 500 plus other harsh chemicals. It's a clean and safe choice for your family. It's dermatologist-tested, hypoallergenic and pH balanced, gentle on sensitive skin. It's also US EPA Safer Choice certified, meaning it meets high environmental standards. Switch to EasyDose and experience the power of plant-based cleaning. It's the smart, sustainable choice for your laundry. What we like. This detergent is tough on stains yet gentle on skin, thanks to its plant-powered formula and hypoallergenic nature. It's also dermatologist-tested, making it a safe choice for sensitive skin. If you're looking for a large quantity of hypoallergenic detergent, this is a great option. What people say. EasyDose Laundry Detergent Liquid does an excellent job of getting my clothes clean. It effortlessly tackles a variety of stains and everyday dirt, leaving my laundry looking fresh and vibrant. The detergent's effectiveness means I don't have to pre-treat stains as often, which saves me time and effort. It's free from harsh chemicals and dyes, making it ideal for sensitive skin. My family and I have experienced no irritation, and our clothes feel soft and comfortable after every wash. Number 2. Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent. It's tough on stains and odors, but gentle on your clothes and the planet. Experience the power of plant-based cleaning. It uses plant-derived cleaning agents to eliminate tough stains and odors, leaving your clothes crisp and fresh. It's tough on stains, but gentle on fabrics. It works great in both standard and high-efficiency washing machines. Enjoy clean clothes without harsh chemicals. It's 3x concentrated, reducing packaging waste and energy consumption. A little goes a long way. It's plant-based and eco-friendly, with no artificial fragrances, dyes, phosphates, chlorine, ammonia, or brighteners. Safe for kids and pets. It uses biodegradable ingredients, is never tested on animals, and is manufactured in the USA. Experience the difference of quality and care. What we like. It's ultra-concentrated, providing a massive 300 loads and minimizing waste. This plant-based formula is tough on stains, yet gentle on the planet. If you prioritize eco-friendliness and value, this is the one for you. What people say. Concentrated, the efficiency in this product is unparalleled, going through 300 loads with just one bottle. It leaves my clothes smelling fresh and clean without any kind of overpowering fragrances, and I feel confident knowing it's safe for my kids and pets. Without artificial colors or preservatives, it perfectly aligns with my commitment to using natural products in my household. But what really sets Biokleen apart is the real cleaning power. On even more serious stains, it is acting just as well and often even better than more conventional detergents would. It really does clean well. You may have to adjust how much soap you use, or how big of a load of laundry you are washing, especially if you are doing a load that has sweaty, stinky, or soiled clothing. For a normal-sized, large load, 2-3 up my XL top-loading washer, without any real soiling, no drips, dirt, grime, etc., the instructions on the bottle are great, full cap full of their tiny cap. For more soiled or stinky items, either use a smaller load size or more soap. You really have plenty, you'll still be saving money, and it certainly has better ingredients. Number 1. 7th Generation Laundry Packs. It's a quadruple enzyme formula, tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. Experience a deep clean that leaves your clothes feeling fresh and revitalized. It is hypoallergenic and free of fragrances, dyes, and artificial brighteners, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to comfortable clean clothes. This product is EPA Safer Choice certified, meaning it's designed with safety in mind for you and the environment. You can trust that it's a responsible choice. These fast-dissolving packs work in both high-efficiency and standard washing machines. Enjoy a seamless and effective laundry experience, no matter your machine type. It's a USDA-certified bio-based product, with 94% plant-based ingredients. You're making a sustainable choice that's kind to the planet. We care about the future. Explore our full range of laundry products, including liquids, powders, dryer sheets, and stain removers, to find the perfect fit for your needs. What we like. It's a hypoallergenic, fragrance-free formula, perfect for sensitive skin. These convenient packs are also easy to use and dissolve quickly. If you have sensitive skin and prefer a fragrance-free option, this is a great choice. What people say. If you follow the instructions, you won't have clumps and lumps of undissolved detergent on your clothes. I have been using these pods for about 4 to 5 years now and have never once had a problem with them not dissolving in any temp. These laundry packs are gentle on our skin and leave our clothes with a fresh, clean finish without an overpowering chemical scent. They work well even with our iron-rich water, leaving clothes, bedding and towels clean with no worries allergens. We're sensitive to various fragrances, so really like that these pods are truly fragrance-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.